The Veldt is a song by Canadian electronic music producer DEADMAU5, featuring vocals by Chris James. The song ranked number 48 on Rolling Stone's list of the 50 best songs of 2012. The Veldt was inspired by the 1950 short story of the same name by Ray Bradbury. The song was initially created during a 22-hour live streaming session in March 2012. The following day, Zimmerman found Chris James, who created his own vocal rendition of the song, via Twitter. Zimmerman was impressed with James' vocals, particularly with the lyrical references to the Ray Bradbury story, and confirmed that the official release of the song would include James' vocals. The song's production was captured on a live streaming session via his official website. The Veldt is a progressive house song with a tempo of 128 beats per minute and is written in the key of A major. On April 20, 2012, Zimmerman and Ultra Records uploaded the 8-minute-plus version of the song onto their YouTube channels, with the radio edit being uploaded onto Ultra Records' channel on May 7, 2012. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.